Welcome to the Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology, School of Natural Sciences, Techno India University Tripura. The department is aligned with NEP 2020 policy. The course curriculum facilitated all students over here to undergo the research-oriented courses, which is aligned with the industry-oriented manner. And all students over here are getting the overall facility of the high-tech, the modern laboratory facilities in this department. All the faculties in the department are expertise in microbiology and biotechnology. They are providing one-to-one mentoring, high-impact research projects to the student and students in deep learning. They are offering so that the students can get more industry exposure across the country, and they can settle in the high-tech industry in our country. Helping dreams become a reality. Come and join TIUT.